Introduction. The Psychology of Selling, by Brian Tracy, is a timeless guide that delves into the intricate workings of the human mind in the context of sales. Through his extensive experience in sales and psychology, Tracy offers invaluable insights into the art and science of selling. This comprehensive summary aims to distill the key principles, strategies, and techniques outlined in the book, providing readers with a thorough understanding of how to excel in the field of sales. Chapter 1. The Psychology of Selling. Tracy begins by emphasizing the importance of understanding the psychology behind selling. He asserts that successful selling is not merely about persuasion or manipulation but involves understanding and fulfilling the needs and desires of customers. By mastering the psychology of selling, one can build strong relationships with clients and achieve long-term success in sales. Chapter 2. The Inner Game of Selling. In this chapter, Tracy explores the concept of the inner game of selling, which involves developing a positive mindset and overcoming self-limiting beliefs. He discusses the power of self-confidence, belief in one's abilities, and maintaining a positive attitude, all of which are essential for success in sales. Tracy provides practical strategies for cultivating a winning mindset and overcoming fear and doubt. Chapter 3. Personal Development. Continuing the theme of mindset, Tracy emphasizes the importance of personal development in sales. He encourages sales professionals to continually invest in their personal growth, whether through reading, attending seminars, or seeking mentorship. Tracy highlights the correlation between personal development and professional success, stressing the need for ongoing learning and self-improvement. Chapter 4. The Power of Suggestion. In this chapter, Tracy explores the concept of suggestion and its influence on the buying decisions of customers. He discusses various techniques for effectively using suggestion in sales, such as framing, storytelling, and social proof. Tracy explains how to harness the power of suggestion ethically and responsibly to guide customers towards making favorable purchasing decisions. Chapter 5. Understanding your customer. Tracy emphasizes the importance of empathy and understanding in sales. He discusses the significance of listening to customers' needs, asking probing questions, and observing nonverbal cues. Tracy provides practical advice for building rapport with clients and tailoring sales presentations to address their specific concerns and desires. Chapter 6. The Psychology of Buying. In this chapter, Tracy explores the psychological factors that influence customers' buying decisions. He discusses concepts such as pain avoidance, pleasure-seeking, and the fear of loss, illustrating how sales professionals can leverage these principles to motivate customers to act. Tracy provides strategies for creating a sense of urgency and scarcity to encourage purchasing behavior. Chapter 7. Closing the Sale. Tracy delves into the art of closing the sale, emphasizing the importance of confidence, persistence, and effective communication. He discusses various closing techniques, such as the assumptive close, the alternative close, and the trial close. Tracy provides practical tips for overcoming objections and sealing the deal with confidence. Chapter 8. The Psychology of Negotiation. Negotiation is a crucial aspect of sales, and Tracy explores the psychology behind successful negotiations in this chapter. He discusses the importance of preparation, flexibility, and empathy in negotiation, as well as strategies for reaching mutually beneficial agreements. Tracy emphasizes the value of win-win outcomes and maintaining positive relationships with clients. Chapter 9. Building long-term relationships. In the final chapter, Tracy highlights the importance of building long-term relationships with customers. He discusses strategies for cultivating trust, providing exceptional service, and adding value beyond the initial sale. Tracy emphasizes the significance of integrity, honesty, and reliability in fostering enduring relationships that lead to repeat business and referrals. Conclusion. The Psychology of Selling, by Brian Tracy, offers a comprehensive exploration of the psychology behind successful selling. Through a combination of practical advice, psychological insights, and real-world examples, Tracy equips sales professionals with the tools and strategies they need to excel in their field. By mastering the principles outlined in this book, readers can develop the mindset, skills, and techniques necessary to achieve long-term success in sales. Thanks for watching. For similar content, please like, share, and subscribe.